Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Friday, October 2nd, 2009. This morning I'd like to go through two enhancements to the system that make browsing a little more pleasant. And to give you an idea what I'm talking about, let's go to Browse Senders, and we'll do Senders of Become, : and you'll notice the way this pops up. This is fairly familiar. But what if you wanted a better view of that and you wanted to be able to tab it? Let's go to System, Parcel Manager. And what we're going to do is we're going to load two extensions. We're going to go to Popular, and we're going to bring in tabbed tool sets, load that. Now I'm going to go to Directories, and I'm going to go down to Contributed, and in here find 3-pane selector, and load that. Now with these two things loaded, let's take a look at what happens. Browse, Implementers of, you get a slightly different window off the bat. And the idea is that instead of constantly opening new ones, you get this one here, and if I select Become, I also still have all these other matches over here, and this is the implementers. Notice up here I have these little things highlighted though. That's implementers. If I wanted senders, I can get this and switch it without having to switch views. If I want a new view, I do this, and because I've got tab toolsets loaded, I get a new view. So over here I have Become. Over here I could just start typing anything else. I could say, I don't know, let's say key, and I don't know, I want this one here, key value. And then I want the implementers instead of the senders. So I can flip back and forth, and I have Become over here, and I have this key value over here, and I can look at those that way. Now that tabbed thing also functions in regular browsers. So if I open up this regular browser, if I hit New View, you notice that I have two new tabs up here. So up here I could be browsing external web browser text. Over here I could be browsing, let's pick Tools Hover Help. So if I flip back and forth, I now have new views inside the browser. Instead of having that plethora of windows open, I can stay in one view and look at things that way. So anyway, that's a look at two interesting things that you can do with the tool set to support more unified browsing. You have the tabs that can be added to the regular browser, tabs that can be added to this 3-pane selector, and the interesting thing about 3-pane selector is it allows you to kind of flip back and forth between implementers and senders in a much more convenient fashion than the basic senders and implementers does. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Small Talk.